Can you share a bit more about how enterprise AR has evolved in your industry?
Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, back when we were trying to get it in, it was very basic. We were pretty impressed just to get basic CAD models and some animations and I mean everything from alignment using old fiducial markers and the accuracy you can get and the devices. I mean, we've seen so many different AR devices over the years. So yeah, a lot has changed. And I think today we're at a place where it's ready. We're definitely seeing across a variety of companies like Rolls-Royce and many other aerospace companies and across other industries, where the metrics and the return on investment that you get is just tremendous. And so it's no longer a question of if we can do that and pushing the envelope of the technology and only catering to early adopters and those that are willing to kind of push forward through a lot of technical problems. It's much more easy to get it on the shop floor as fast as possible. And really now it's about realizing the value as fast as possible. And realizing value comes in a lot of different ways. A lot of our customers start off with early pilot projects where a piece of content can be created fairly quickly to realize that ROI. Maybe they still need to do a study on the old way, paper instructions or whatever, versus the new way, displaying information in augmented reality. But very quickly after that, you should be able to roll it out into, at least a staging, if not production environment fairly quickly. And from there, it's really about capturing that data and figuring out how to scale. And so, that's all about, the boring things. It's no longer about, this really sexy technology of putting, 3D stuff, in your field of view to give you information. It's about single sign-on and security and deployment usability and maintainability and revision management and integrating with your manufacturing execution system or your PLM system or your FSM system or whatever it is. So all of that kind of background enterprise stuff is really where we're seeing a lot of the demand today, which is great. I mean, that's the first point of a conversation is no longer, oh, we have to figure out if this works. The first point of conversation is like, cool, can you integrate with these other systems? So I think that's a really great indication that companies are finally ready to take it to scale, and yeah, it's just an exciting time, and you've got these amazing devices that are coming out and able to really have the horsepower to do the things we've always wanted to do with them. So that's really exciting.